In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get deep stone here in Bizarre Lineage and why it's important. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, deepstone is a rare crafting material, and it's used to unlock top-tier stands like Diver Down and the World Over Heaven. But to get it, you need to complete the Prison Escape raid. So go ahead and find any bus stop around the map, interact with it, and essentially you need to fast travel over to bus stop 1. Once you're at bus stop 1, go ahead and just follow the path that I'm showing on screen right now, past the Kira raid over here and up this, and you're going to see the prison escape raid. You got to reach zone 2 and defeat 16 enemies to unlock the next area, and find Anusi here. Once you locate him in one of the rooms, just pay $100 to trigger his boss fight. Just keep in mind he's not going to spawn right away. You have to progress the raid a little bit, defeat Pookie, Seamoon, and then of course go to the southeast area of the prison, and then he's going to appear as a boss. Defeat him. He's only got about 2,500 HP, and as long as you're using like range stands like planet waves, you should be good to go, or time stop stands for fast kills. But after reading him, you'll get 1 deep stone, and you just have to repeat this process. You need 2 total deep stones, 1 for the deep dive arrow for Diver Down, and 1 for singularity for the World Over Heaven. But that is the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.